tightly clad. Welcome inside the Horsekin factory, where raw strength becomes refined craftsmanship.
The ultrasound looks clear, no inflammation detected.
Good. The hydration levels look stable now, but we should increase the mineral supplements by 5%.
Agreed.
Humidity 65%. Airflow 80%. Drying stage complete.
Check penetration rate. Yes, chrome full absorbing into fibers.
Huh?
The temperature is stabilizing right at the target range.
Noted.
Fiber binding looks successful. pH is stable at 5.1, perfect. Move to retanning.
Strength index improved.
Good heft. Make sure softness remains. Don't over retan.
Brown shade 4B, confirm consistency.
Confirmed. Load dies now.
Cycle 3, starting targeting. Keep pressure at 20 millibars.
Make sure corners are tight. Avoid edge waves.
Moisture at 14%. Good for staking.
Softness index reached 92, perfect. Send to buffing.
Smooth, fibers settled perfectly. No burn marks, no over dry patches. All right, move it to coating.
Pattern stable. Pressure 9.8 bar. Keep the sweep consistent.
Shade B4 confirmed. Match it with lot 120. We need identical tone across the full run.
Coverage 100%. All edges coated. Prepare for top coat.
This batch gets a semi-matte protective coat. Keep the gloss rating below 22 units.
Gloss rating below 22 units.
The temperature is holding steady at 75. Pressure reached 90 bar.
Looks good. The curve is stable.
Perfect depth. No double impressions, no slip marks. Approve this batch.
Batch 120 delivered. Begin digital mapping.
Software calibrated, mapping ready. Move to auto patterning.
Projected alignment confirmed. Efficiency at 94.3%. Lock it.
Quality check complete. Send these to skiving.
Thickness target, 0.9 millimeters on all edges. Set feed to 12 meters per minute. Perfect softness. This will stitch clean. Curve locked. Maintain 2.8 millimeter spacing. Good, good.
Strong weave, 0 thread slips.
Solid seal patio, perfect.
All parts match batch 120. Send for assembly.
Corners tight, keep the angle steady.
Batch 120 inches. Starter surface prep.
Surface clear, no micro debris.
Look at that grain pop, beautiful finish.
Polish line on point, continue.
Coat thickness, 7 microns. Perfect for durability.
Open the inspection interface. Start dimensional checks.
Batch 120 stable, good engineering.
Temperature holding at 180 degrees Celsius. Seal line clean, no micro tears.
Pallet 4 complete. Strap it and send to dispatch.
We respect every step from the animal to the art. Quality isn't made, it's crafted.